Hi Aquarius, welcome to Omkara Tarot. Here's a quick love bite for you for the weekend of the 24th to the 26th of July. This is going to be a small one, Aquarius, just 3 cards each and 3 cards for advice. Oops, this card wanted to show face, Ace of Swords in reverse, so there's some confusion in communication it seems. I'm going to put this aside and see how it's going to relate to the rest of our reading. So let's begin here, Aquarius. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. So, Aquarius, your August readings are soon coming up, okay? So look forward to those. And if you're new here, please join us, subscribe, and join us for the August ones as well. So let's begin, Aquarius. 3 cards for you. 3 cards for your person. Please feel free to flip the energy. If you feel your second line and the other person first line, feel free. And this is your word of advice. Bottom of the deck is 6 of Swords in reverse. Still going through some troubled times, it seems, Aquarius. There's confusion, there's no clarity. Communication may be bad at this time. For the first person, Aquarius, if this is you, I have the Queen of Pentacles in reverse, the 4 of Cups in reverse, and the King of Swords in reverse. Second person, the Star in reverse, 10 of Swords, and the Death card. Oh my God, what's happening here, Aquarius? Person 1, first line, Aquarius, so this is you. You seem to be very, very upset and angry at the moment. So there's been some communication, yes, there's some communication that you have received about some imbalance. There's no balance in this relationship right now. And somebody or you are making a choice here about, this love situation where you don't feel emotionally satisfied and you're feeling rather depressed and low at this time. This could be because of this King of Swords who is being very harsh in their communication. Even though I think you had a lot of love in your heart for them, or maybe they have a lot of love in their heart for you, but nobody is really communicating it well. There's a lot of harsh words here. Both are trying to heal from this very bad communication and now thinking of what's going to be ahead. Wow. Let's see person 2. Yes, there's a lot of confusion here. Things are still hidden, the secrets being kept. Somebody is not happy, they're not clear as to what's going to happen. And just as I said that, the light flickered as well. Oops. Person 2 feels, yes, everything's come to a total halt. Even though they are trying their best to come out of this stuck place, stuck position, and bring some kind of transformation to this relationship as to how it's gone down, but they're still very confused. A lot of confusion in this reading, Aquarius. There's just going back and forth how to bring a transformation to whatever has gone down very badly. Maybe some very harsh words had been spoken or are going to be spoken, which is going to lead to a lot of confusion in this relationship. Somebody is keeping an eye on the other, watching their every move as to what they're doing, what they're saying, where they're going. Let's see a word of advice. 2 of Cups, the Fool, and the Devil in reverse. So, okay, Aquarius, nothing to worry about. Whatever has happened, it's all going to get better because heart of hearts, you two do love each other a lot. Whatever this has happened, I think only this Ace of Swords, which is in reverse, where there's no clarity in communication. So your word of advice is to bring this upright again, have clear communication as to how you feel, or if somebody said something wrong to you, or if you're feeling troubled at this time, to communicate clearly to your partner, because I see a lot of love between the two of you right now. Things have been a little imbalanced maybe, Somebody has been a bit rash in making a decision here. Spirit says, just let go of all this control and ego and pride and whatever you guys have between the two of you. This is not the time to take a fresh beginning or move, take a new beginning anywhere. Just stay put in this situation at the moment. Let go of any toxicity which is here. Let go of any conflict which has happened till now, and let go of this fight. Okay, this is Spirit's advice to you. It's just not being clear and feeling maybe hurt right now. Both of you are, but Aquarius, if this is you, you are trying to make decisions. This other person is very confused and is trying to get maybe clarity as to how to improve the situation. So give person 2 a chance, and because there's a lot of love here. There is a lot of love here, undoubtedly. Let's take a little advice or blessing from the angels as well for you. Don't be rash, Aquarius. Don't be rash. There is love. There is love here. Yes, be optimistic. Instead of thinking there is nothing to go back to, please be optimistic about your future with this person. There is love. There is love here. Be happy, okay? And see you soon for the August reading. Hopefully that will make things a little more clear and you'll be in a better state of mind. Till then, love and light. Take care of yourself.